tens of thousands of rhinos have been killed for their horns. Rhino horn clippings are worth 3 times the price of gold on the black market. At the Zoological Society in London, Dr. Raj Amin keeps a wary eye on this highly illegal trade.
The primary use for rhino horn in traditional Chinese medicine is for the treatment of a number of ailments, ranging from fever to strokes.
Rhinos are fighting against thousands of years of tradition here. And yet all the testing done so far is conclusive.
There is no evidence at all that any constituents of rhino horn has any medical property. Medically, it's the same as actually chewing your nails.
To discourage the trade, Dr. Amin's group is working with highly sophisticated technology.
We are looking at the constituents of rhino horn.
You are what you eat. So rhino horn takes on distinctive chemical characteristics from the food the rhino's been eating.
These elements get absorbed into the rhino horn through the digestive processes. What we do is we take a small portion of the horn, and then we run 3 different tests to work out the levels or concentrations of the different elements and isotopes, for example, carbon, nitrogen, strontium. And this will give us a chemical fingerprint for the rhinos in one particular area. The database itself will be able to hopefully identify where the horn came from, so that when we get a confiscated horn, say for example in Singapore, what we'll do is use the actual fingerprint from that sample and compare it against the database. And from that we'll be able to tell not only the species of the rhino, but pinpoint, right, which population that horn came from. And this will help law enforcement agencies to target those areas and hopefully shut down trade routes.